Hi, my name's Grant Dixon. I'm a trial lawyer and I've been representing victims in catastrophic personal injury cases for well over 20 years. I get asked questions sometimes from family, friends, even on the internet, and I have one of those questions here for you today. How do I know if the body shop is using original parts? When your car is damaged in a car crash, you have the right to demand it gets repaired with quality parts. And usually that involves OEM, or Original Equipment Manufacturer parts. To determine if they are being used that way, you need to look at the estimate and see. And if it doesn't say, ask the company that's repairing your car if they use OEM parts. Some insurance companies will try and save money and put substandard parts in there. And you have the right to demand that they use OEM parts, but you have to ask. At Dixon Law Office, we've been representing victims in personal injury matters for well over 20 years, and we can help you, but you need to reach out to us first. Our phone number is 888-354-9880, or reach us on the web at attorneysmakingitright.com. Because when everything goes wrong, we make it right.